Alright guys, have you seen this? AI influencers are quietly taking over the internet, making creators tens of thousands of dollars a month without them ever showing their face. And the crazy thing is, this isn't some one-hit wonder. Check out this Instagram page, 7.7 million followers. Absolutely insane, right? And look at this one, started just 6 months ago and already blasting past 100,000 followers. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can create your own AI influencer. But hold on, that's not even the best part. I spent a solid 24 hours digging deep, reverse engineering exactly how these accounts make tens of thousands of dollars every single month. And I'm going to reveal that exact monetization secret later in this video. You definitely want to stick around for that. Here's the best part. This trend is still fresh, so you've got a golden opportunity to jump in, grow fast, and start making serious money before everyone else catches on. Ugh, another dead end. Now, I know what you're thinking.
Another AI tool? Mavic, I'm drowning here.
Trust me, I get it. Finding one that keeps a character looking the same, it's impossible.
Most AI tools are trash for this. Consistency is key. I almost gave up, then found this.
Alright, now let's get down to business and actually create our AI influencer. Hit that Create Portrait Model button, either in the sidebar or the main banner. Now, you've got a choice. Upload your own reference image or use APOB's AI influencer generator. For getting that unique, controllable look, use the generator. It's incredibly powerful. Select that option. This opens up the control panel on the right. This is where you play God, basically. You can hit the random button if you're feeling lucky and just want to see what APOB spits out. But for control and building something specific, let's dive into these settings. Today, I'm creating a woman because, let's be real, they tend to grab more attention online. You know how it is. For age, I'm setting her to 25. The age when your back starts hurting for no reason. Next up, you've got a ton of appearance settings. Everything from face shape right down to adding dimples. Seriously, play around with these. Click through the options and pick whatever look you think is gonna pop. Once you've got everything dialed in, click the Generate button. And bam, there she is. Okay, so sometimes the initial reference image might pop up in black and white. Don't freak out if that happens. The actual images you generate later will be in full color. This image is APOB's reference for every piece of content moving forward. That's how you get insane consistency that makes your influencer believable, something other tools can't deliver. If you're happy with the result, click the button that says Select the image as reference image. Give your model a name, slap on a quick description, and that's it. Your AI influencer, Mia, is officially born and ready to make money. Now we need to put her in the world. Different scenes, different outfits, different moods. And after this, I'm going to show you a hack to make your photos look even higher quality. So stick around. On the left sidebar, you'll see the options, image or video. We'll start with image, then we'll jump into video later. You've got a few options for creating images, but we need something unique, right? So let's build our image ourselves. Don't worry. This is easier than it sounds. You don't need any crazy prompts. Everything is super straightforward. You just click the modifiers you want to apply.
Stuck in the digital void again. I could really use a beach day. Sand between my virtual toes.
Beach day, huh, Mia? Say no more. Okay, so back in APOB. See these modifier tabs? We want a beach scene, so under Environment, I'm clicking Beach. Then, under Appearance, gotta get her in beachwear, right? Let's click Swimsuit. And maybe for the vibe, under Weather, we'll select Sunny Day, easy as pie. And last thing, pick your aspect ratio. For TikTok, Reels, Shorts, you need that 9:16 vertical. For standard YouTube, 16:9. And quality? Always go for best. It costs more credits, yeah, but it delivers the sharpest results, trust me. Now smash that Generate button, and look at that. Seriously, she looks exactly like our reference image. This consistency is the game changer, guys. Now find the image you like the best out of the bunch. Right here, you'll see options to turn it into a video straight away. But hold on, we'll get to that in the next step. For now, we need to boost the quality. To do that, just hit the Enlarge button, and your high-res photo is ready. Alright, let's bring Mia to life. Find that Generate Video button on your newly upscaled image. Click it. This whisks you over to the video generation settings, using your chosen image as the base. You'll see quality options again. I'm going straight for Ultra, because that lets us create the video in full HD resolution. Next, choose the video duration. I'll stick with 5 seconds for this example. And the prompt again, nothing complicated here. Just briefly describe what you want to see happen in the video. something simple like adjust hair with a light hand movement. Hit generate. Not bad, right? Seriously, play around with different prompts here, get creative, and you'll get even better results. But we're not done yet. This is where it gets really cool. Now, I'm going to show you how to create a unique voice for Mia, and then how to use it for lip sync. Okay, head back to the main dashboard and click Create Voice Model. Here, hit Generate Voice. First things first, we need to describe the kind of voice we want. Unleash your imagination, or hey, use ChatGPT for ideas. After describing it, type in a few sentences so you can actually hear what the generated voice sounds like. Once you've done that, generate the voice. APOB will give you 3 options. Listen to them, pick the one you like best, and hit Select this voice as reference voice. Then just select the gender, language, and age for the voice profile. Hit Create Voice Model button. Next step, lip sync. Select that video we just generated. Down below, you'll see an option for lip sync. Click it. From here, all we've got to do is just click Generate Audio, and we need to enter the script of what we'd like the model to say. After that, under Voice Model, select the voice you just created and hit Generate. Now, select that newly generated audio clip as the reference audio and click Generate.
All right, I'm ready to crush the algorithms and bring you tens of thousands of dollars.
Awesome, right? Okay, one last fun thing before we dive into how to actually make money with this stuff. Mia needs a wardrobe change for her big debut. Let's get her ready for a fancy dinner or something. Select one of your good photos again, and this time go to Edit Clothing. You'll see a huge selection of clothes pop up. You can also upload your own clothing images. This is super important, and we'll need this for the monetization stage later, so keep that in mind. But for now, I'm gonna pick this dress right here. Click it, and hit Generate on the side. And just like that, Mia is ready for the restaurant. Now let's turn these visuals into profit. But here's a gift for you. Use the code MAVIKAI15 to get a 15% discount. The link is in the video description. I spent a solid 24 hours deep diving into dozens of these AI influencer accounts, uncovering how they're really raking in tens of thousands of dollars. And here are the top 4 ways they're cashing in. We'll start with the simplest and work our way up to the most interesting. And stick around, because at the very end, I'm revealing a secret, untapped method that only one account I analyzed was cleverly using. But first, let's talk about getting more eyeballs on your content, because more traffic equals more potential money. Here's the trick. Don't just stick to one platform. Besides running multiple accounts if you want, you should be blasting this content across multiple platforms. For videos, think YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. For photos, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook. And trust me, a lot of people, especially older demographics, will genuinely think Mia is a real person. Leverage that, okay? We know how to get more traffic, but how do we turn that traffic into actual dollars? Platform monetization. It's basic, but I had to mention it. Monetization through YouTube Shorts ad revenue, the TikTok Creator Fund, and Instagram Reels bonuses is totally possible. The beauty of this method? It's directly tied to your views. More views literally equals more money. Simple as that. Affiliate marketing. This is huge. Check out this Instagram page. See that link in her bio? That takes people to her lists of products she recommends. When someone clicks through and buys anything from that link, she gets a commission, usually 10 to 30% of the sale price. You can do this for fashion, tech, fitness gear, whatever fits your AI influencer's niche. Fan support, donations, and digital gifts. And here, I'm going to show you a really cool variation I found. First, the straightforward approach. Fan support. Some accounts set up a Patreon or similar platform where dedicated fans can support them directly with monthly pledges, often getting exclusive content in return. Okay, hold on. But the second flavor is more interesting and potentially way more profitable than you might think. Digital gifts. Instead of just asking for donations, some accounts set up sites where fans can buy specific virtual gifts for the AI influencer. It sounds crazy, but it works incredibly well. Check this out. For one account I looked at, just this specific virtual gift brought in over $10,000 for the owner, and this one, $5,000. And these aren't isolated cases. Here's another account that was literally gifted 3 iPhone 15 Pros and 3 iPhone 14 Pros by their fans. People love the interaction, and it feels more engaging than just donating cash. This could be a massive, untapped income stream, And the secret method used by only one Instagram page: brand deals and sponsorships. Yes, AI influencers get brand deals just like real bloggers. Brands will reach out wanting you to feature their products, like promoting a new swimsuit line. And you might ask,
How do I get Mia into that specific swimsuit?
here's the beauty of AI. You don't even need the physical product shipped to you. All the brand needs to send is a good photo of the swimsuit. Head back into APOB AI, go to the Edit Clothing section, upload the swimsuit photo the brand sent you, and boom, you've got a promotional image with Mia wearing their exact product. It's that simple. Hit like, subscribe, and comment if you're ready to build a YouTube empire and make real cash. Watch these videos.